Good morning, I'm Sarah, the Real Simple Mama. I'm out here in Jurassic Park with all of the girls. This video is going to be super quick. It's just going to be an announcement of some changes that are going to be coming to the channel. So I have been a chicken tender for 5 years now, 6 years, and there are hundreds of videos here on the Real Simple Mama YouTube channel, as well as on realsimplemama.com, all kinds of free printables, free downloads, guides to help you with everything from the chicken coop to the doors to helping your chickens lay more eggs. I try to make sure that all of my content is encouraging you to pick and choose what's best for you and not making you spend a ton of money that you don't need. There is more chicken content that's coming here in the next few months, and I appreciate all of you guys who have been around for a while, who have been patient with us as I transition into a new full-time job and all of the other things that are going on with having a young family. But I wanted to add that while I only have a little bit of planty type content here on Real Simple Mama, I'm going to be adding a lot more. Houseplants, outdoor perennials, starting seeds, growing your own food. There's going to be a lot more of that coming. So if you look at the different channels on YouTube, usually you can make your own playlists, right? So on Real Simple Mama, here on my YouTube channel, I have a whole bunch of different playlists, and they're categorized by the type of content. So we have one that's all about chicken coops and building your own facilities and how you should set up your chicken coop and cleaning it and blah, blah, blah. And then there's another one that's about 5-minute videos, and a playlist here, which is a group of videos by category that I called Chickens in Your Garden. And it's about plants that you can plant in your chicken run that either have benefits for your chickens, or at least they're like safe for your chickens, whether they provide shade or they provide food or other benefits. So what I wanted to add is that over the next few months, starting here in spring and summer of 2023, we're going to be adding a lot more plant content, whether you're getting started in house plants or you want to know what kinds of things that you can plant out in the ground here in South Central Texas. But I'm excited to start adding a lot more of plant type content here on realsimplemama.com. It's a new passion of mine. It's a hobby of mine. And as usual, I will be giving you honest content. I'm not going to be forcing you to spend a ton of money that you don't have to spend. And it should be a lot of fun. So you're welcome to put down in the comments below if there's certain specific planty things that you're looking for that you'd like help with, and know that the chicken content is coming too. Thanks for being patient with me.